I'm reminding you and myself also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. If you are new or already a part of the YouTube family, a very lovely welcome to you. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. In this video, I will show you how I achieved this lovely hairstyle. African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed. Lot of body. I'm just going to use some water, and if need be, then I might resort back to the mousse. So to start off, my hair is already dry, and I'm starting off on old wash and go, so I didn't wash my hair for this one. Basically, it's just the following day, and I decided to do this to my hair. Unfortunately, guys, I don't have a footage of the recording as to how I braided my hair or how I cornrowed it, but basically what I did, the products that I used are already in the video, and it's just a follow-up with the products that I used in the previous video, which is the African Pride and the Lot of Body. And all I did was I just sprayed my hair with some water, and then I added the products, these two products here. So I'm so sorry about that, and this is what it looks like after the hair is all braided the next day. I hope they come out nicely. Okay, I'm gonna start from the back. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. God willing, you'll stop by for the next video. All right, guys, take care and bye for now.